Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel, Customer Success Manager at Double GDP, and this is my sprint update. On the sprint retrospective, when it comes to the sales and leads updates, I have to say that I didn't have any significant progress with the leads or prospects that I have in the pipeline. There are some learnings. For example, I've been selling many cold emails to leads, but I haven't had any response from them. And the learning here is that in this region it seems to be very important to have a more personal contact or approach. So when I was trying to make phone calls or have on-site visits, this at least I was getting some response from these leads. But what I see now from the cold emails, this is not the case. So I will move my approach, or I will change my approach and see if I can get some response from the communities that I've been trying to reach out in Tegucigalpa, if I get a more personal touch with them. On product adoption, we enable processes for CM and Green Park, and I also train Ciudad Morazán administrator on how to use processes. On the product side, I contributed this sprint on updating the cards for the card dashboard, and this was specifically for the new pages that they have. For example, logs, guard posts, and invitation page. So now they have it on the dashboard. I also contributed this sprint on updating the roles for quick links. This means that now the administrators will have the ability to also share quick links with some other users that were not on that list first. For example, site managers and site workers are now able to see the quick links. I also contributed on fixing the statistics for Ciudad Morazán. As you can see there, we used to have a high number when it comes to total in city, and this was confusing the administrators because that was not accurate with the number that they had in mind. So we made a fix on this, and now you can see the real number of how many people is inside the community. What is work in progress, and for the upcoming sprint, I'm working on progressing the deal number 31 to the next stage, from proposal validation to contract approval. I've been having a hard time trying to contact this community because I haven't had any response from them in the past 2 weeks. So I'm making a trip to Tegucigalpa to see if I can meet in person with them and move the conversation to the next stage. Also, the same case with deal number 29, for which we are having conversations to set a price for our services. This is a current customer, and we are trying to get a price proposal from them. Also, on the product adoption, I'm working with Ciudad Morazán on a new resident onboarding form. So they are trying to make this not just a form, but also a process for them in order to onboard new residents and deliver the houses for them. So Ciudad Morazán implementation manager is working on defining this process so we can actually move that process to the application. On the product side, I'm working with Vanessa and with some other team members on improving the guest invitation experience. And specifically, this will affect the delivery invitation process that we have now. And I'll be sharing more with you next sprint. Thank you so much.